turret at position number 8. Right there. And 8 is the only position on the turret that that has bit 8. Because any other bits get up that high. So then I'm going to turn the encoder until I see the light come on. Oh, there it is. Okay. So there's, I want to make a mark where it just comes on. And I'm going to go find a marker, and then I'm going to make a mark. Okay, marker in hand. So, again, I'm going to turn it till the light just comes on. Right there. And I'm turning it counterclockwise, viewed from the back of the encoder. And then, let's see, I'm going to put a mark right there. Then I'm going to continue turning it counterclockwise over so I can start. Whoa. It worked. Okay.